And this is the bokashi. Like I said before, it's basically fermented wheat with molasses, filtered water, and dechlorinated water, and affected microorganisms, which is basically lactobacillus. So what we do is, when we're making it, is we get wheat bran. We take the molasses, we take the water, we take the affected microorganisms, and we mix it up like we're making bread. And then we take it, and it's an anaerobic process, and we just pack it all into a trash can, put the lid on, put the bag lid on really tight, get all the air out. This is already done, so I'm just kind of showing you what I do. And then
I can smell, it smells like a brewery.
Yeah. And then I put the lid on. And then this is how we use it. As we're composting stuff, we sprinkle a little bit in. And it has to be anaerobic. You can do this in a pit, like if you're doing it on a large scale, you could dig trenches and just do it in a pit and use dirt to keep out your air. But we're doing this is our kitchen compost here from the headquarters. And we just mix in and layer in some bokashi as it goes. And it really speeds up the breakdown by 10 times. And then this is our little homemade bokashi bucket. It's just 2 buckets from Home Depot. And basically what we did is we drilled holes in the bottom of this bucket. We put the compost in. And then what all this liquid does, which is called leachate, this is a really good mixture to give your plants beneficial microorganisms, to basically help your plants be so healthy that when a bug comes up to it or some kind of disease, it doesn't even phase it. So then what you can do with this leachate is you can use that to water your plants at a 1:10 ratio, 10 parts water, 9 parts water, 1 part, leachate. And it really helps. I can also use this leachate to pour on a compost pile. If I have a compost pile that's really not doing much, it's just kind of sitting there and it's not actively decomposing, I can pour this leachate in there and kind of mix it in, and it will really fire it up and get it going. And it really, a lot of times when you're composting, if you have your little bucket, it really smells like sewage or something like that, because there's no active, cultures going on. It's just dead stuff. This, bokashi gives it a really nice smell. It might be at times a little bit strong, but it's not going to smell like sewage.
Yeah. Well, if you like good stout beer.
Yeah.